How long would it actually take you to turn $1,000 into $2,000? Or $50,000 into $100,000? Most people have no idea. They throw money into a savings account, watch it grow at a snail's pace, and assume that's just how it works. But what if I told you that the difference between doubling your money in 5 years versus 50 years comes down to one simple calculation that takes 10 seconds to do? And what if I told you that most people are unknowingly choosing the 50-year path without even realizing it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how long it takes to double your money, how to cut that time in half, and why understanding this one concept could be the difference between retiring comfortably or working until you're 80. Let's break it down. But before that, leave a like. So here's the thing. When people think about investing or saving, they usually focus on the wrong numbers. They look at how much they're putting away each month or what percentage their account grew last year. But they're missing the bigger picture. The real question isn't how much you're saving. It's how fast your money is multiplying. Because there's a massive difference between growth and actual multiplication. Growth is when your account goes from $10,000 to $10,500. Multiplication is when it goes from $10,000 to $20,000. And the speed at which that happens determines everything about your financial future. Let me give you a quick example. Two people both start with $10,000. Person A puts it in a regular savings account, earning 1% per year. Person B puts it in an index fund, earning 10% per year. Fast forward 10 years. Person A has about $11,000. Person B has over $25,000. Same starting point, same amount of time, but completely different outcomes. And the crazy part is that Person B didn't do anything special. They just understood one basic principle that Person A didn't. They understood how doubling time works. Now, there's a formula that calculates this instantly. It's called the rule of 72, and it's so simple that once you learn it, you'll use it for the rest of your life. Here's how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by your annual rate of return. The answer tells you how many years it takes for your money to double. So if you're earning 6% per year, you divide 72 by 6, and you get 12 years. That means your money will double in 12 years. If you're earning 8%, it's 72 divided by 8, which equals 9 years. If you're earning 12%, it's just 6 years. And if you're earning 1% like most savings accounts, it's 72 years. An entire lifetime just to double your money once. That's the wake-up call most people need. Because when you actually see the numbers laid out like that, you realize how much time you're wasting by leaving your money in the wrong places. A 1% return isn't safe. It's slow financial death. And the worst part is that inflation is usually around 3% per year, which means if you're earning 1%, you're actually losing 2% in purchasing power. Every single year, your account balance might go up, but what that money can buy keeps going down. It's like running on a treadmill and thinking you're moving forward. So the first step to doubling your money faster is understanding what your real rate of return is. Not the number your bank shows you, but the actual growth after inflation, after taxes, after fees. Because all of those things eat away at your returns. If you're earning 8% but paying 2% in fees and losing 3% to inflation, your real return is only 3%. And at 3%, it takes 24 years to double your money. That's the difference between seeing your money grow multiple times in your lifetime or just once. Now let's talk about what actually determines how fast you can double your money. There are 3 main factors. The first one is your rate of return, the second is time, and the third is consistency. Most people focus only on the rate of return. They think if they can just find that one perfect investment that makes 20% per year, they'll be set. But that's where things get dangerous, because high returns almost always come with high risk. And if you chase those high returns without understanding the risk, you might double your money in 3 years, but then lose it all in the 4th year. That's not wealth building, that's gambling. The smarter approach is finding a sustainable rate of return that you can maintain over a long period of time. Historically, the stock market averages around 10% per year. That means your money doubles roughly every 7 years. And here's where it gets interesting. If you start with $10,000 and it doubles every 7 years, after 7 years you have $20,000. After 14 years, $40,000. After 21 years, $80,000. After 28 years, $160,000. After 35 years, $320,000. $20,000. You didn't add a single extra dollar, and your money multiplied 32 times. That's the power of understanding doubling time and letting it run its course. And if you want to double your money much faster, you can just open your YouTube channel, since YouTube is the golden opportunity of this decade, and I can help you in my community with the link below. But here's the problem. Most people don't give their money enough time. They invest for a few years, see it grow slowly, get impatient, and pull it out. Or they panic during a market downturn and sell everything. And every time they do that, they reset the clock. They lose the momentum that was building. Because compounding doesn't work in a straight line. It starts slow, feels like nothing is happening, and then suddenly it explodes. The last few doublings give you more growth than all the previous ones combined, but you only get there if you stay in the game long enough. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you invest $5,000 and it grows at 10% per year. After 1 year, you have $5,500. After 2 years, $6,050. After 3 years, $6,655. At this point, it feels like nothing is happening. You've been investing for 3 years and you only gained $1,655. But if you keep going, after 7 years, you have $10,000. After 14 years, $20,000. After 21 years, $40,000. After 28 years, $80,000. Notice how the growth accelerates. The first 7 years gave you $5,000. The next 7 years gave you $10,000. The next 7 gave you $20,000. And the next 7 gave you $40,000. Each cycle doubles the previous one. But you only experience that acceleration if you stick with it. Now let's talk about how to actually shorten the time it takes to double your money. There are a few strategies that work. The first one is increasing your rate of return without increasing your risk. And the way you do that is by diversifying intelligently. Instead of putting all your money in one place, you spread it across different assets that grow at different rates. You might put some in stocks, some in real estate, some in bonds. And by balancing those, you can achieve a higher overall return while keeping your risk manageable. The second strategy is minimizing friction. Friction is anything that slows down your growth. Taxes, fees, unnecessary withdrawals. Every time you lose a percentage to fees, it extends your doubling time. If you're earning 10% but paying 2% in fees, you're really only earning 8%. And that changes your doubling time from 7 years to 9 years. Over 30 years, that's an entire doubling cycle lost. So one of the easiest ways to double your money faster is by choosing low-cost investments. Index funds, for example, have fees as low as 0.03%. That's almost nothing, and over time, that small difference adds up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. The third strategy is contributing more. A lot of people think doubling only happens inside the investment, but you can also accelerate it by adding more money regularly. If you invest $500 a month at 10% per year, your account grows much faster than if you just invested $10,000 once and never added to it. Because you're feeding the compounding machine from both sides. Money coming in and money growing inside. And when those two forces combine, your doubling time shrinks dramatically. Now let's talk about the psychological side of this, because here's the truth. The math behind doubling your money is simple. But humans aren't. The biggest obstacle to wealth building isn't lack of knowledge, it's lack of discipline. People know they should invest. They know they should stay invested. But when the market drops 20%, they panic. They sell everything and promise themselves they'll get back in when things look better. But by the time things look better, the market has already recovered and they've missed the gains. This happens over and over again, and every time it does, it costs them years of compounding. The key to avoiding this is understanding that market downturns are part of the process. They're not a sign that something is broken. They're a sign that the market is doing what it always does. It goes up, it goes down, and over the long term it trends upward. If you can accept that and stay invested, through the rough patches you'll come out ahead. But if you keep reacting emotionally, you'll never experience the full power of compounding. So what's the shortest realistic time you can double your money? Let's break it down. At 1%, it's 72 years. At 5%, it's about 14 years. At 10%, it's 7 years. At 15%, it's roughly 5 years. At 20%, it's about 3.5 years. Anything beyond that, and you're getting into speculative territory where the risk becomes extremely high. Yes, there are people who've doubled their money in a year or even a few months. Entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, day traders. But for every person who succeeds at that level, there are dozens who lose everything. So for most people, the sweet spot is somewhere between 5 and 10 years. That's where you get strong, sustainable growth without taking on unnecessary risk. And here's the part that most people miss. The goal isn't just to double your money once, it's to double it over and over again, because each doubling multiplies your total. If you double once, you have 2 times your original amount. If you double twice, you have 4 times. 3 times, 8 times. 4 times, 16 times. 5 times, 32 times. The difference between doubling 3 times and doubling 5 times is the difference between having $80,000 and having $320,000. And that difference comes down to just a few extra years of staying invested. Let me give you a real-world example. Let's say 2 people both start investing at age 25 with $10,000. Person A earns 8% per year and their money doubles every 9 years. Person B earns 12% per year and their money doubles every 6 years. By age 65, Person A's money has doubled about 4.4 times, giving them around $210,000. Person B's money has doubled about 6.6 times, giving them around $980,000. Same starting point, same time frame. But Person B ends up with nearly $1 million, while Person A has just over $200,000. That's the impact of shortening your doubling time by just 3 years, per cycle. Now here's the action plan. If you want to double your money in the shortest time possible, here's what you need to do. First, figure out your current rate of return. Look at your investments and calculate what you're actually earning after fees and inflation. If it's below 7%, you need to make changes. Second, minimize friction. Cut out unnecessary fees, avoid frequent trading, and make sure you're investing in tax-advantaged accounts when possible. Third, increase your contributions. Even an extra $100 a month can shave years off your doubling time. Fourth, stay consistent. Don't pull your money out during downturns. Don't chase hot trends. Stick to a solid strategy and let time do the work. And fifth, start now. Because the biggest factor in doubling your money isn't how much you invest or what rate of return you get. It's how soon you begin. Every year you wait is a year of compounding you'll never get back. If you start at 25, your money has 40 years to grow before retirement. If you start at 35, it only has 30 years. That 1 decade difference can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. So the shortest time to double your money isn't just about the math, it's about making the decision to start today instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Because the perfect moment doesn't exist. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Here's the final thing to remember. Doubling your money isn't magic. It's not luck. It's not reserved for the wealthy or the financially brilliant. It's just math combined with patience. The rule of 72 works for everyone. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, the principles are exactly the same. Find a sustainable return, minimize friction, stay invested, and let time work in your favor. If you do that, your money will double. Then it'll double again. And again. And eventually you'll look back and realize that the impossible became inevitable. Not because you did something extraordinary, but because you understood how money actually grows and you had the discipline to let it happen. That's the real secret. And now you know it. Oh, anyway, I opened a new completely free community where I explain how to create and scale your YouTube channel. After an experience with over 10 successful channels, there I will give you all my strategies and tips to monetize and scale your faceless YouTube channel, and I will help you step by step. Since YouTube is the golden opportunity of 2026 if done well, I'm waiting for you. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.